Okay, so I just left 24/7 Mesa where they board dogs. I'm 10 minutes from Gilbert.
Yeah.
I'm doing the South tour today. Wound up here at Fred Astaire Dance Studio with my favorites. We've got Anton, Olga. Anton was my teacher for a few years back at Fred Astaire in Paradise Valley. He left me. They both left me. They're married to open up this beautiful facility, which congratulations, you're coming up on your anniversary of this studio being open and almost 2 years of being here at this location. Where does time go?
It went so fast.
So
when I
fast.
dance, then like just time flies.
There it is, time flies. I will tell you that nothing makes me happier than dancing. And if you haven't experienced ballroom dancing or taking dance lessons as an adult, there is honestly nothing better than it. There is nothing better than dancing with your partner or dancing by yourself if nobody wants to dance with you. If it's something you've ever enjoyed in your life, you need to come back and try it. Do you agree?
I totally agree. And what I really like about our job is to see how like dancing changed their lives.
100%. And you don't have to be perfect. They obviously are professional dancers, but you teach people who aren't professional dancers, who aren't looking to become professional dancers. They just want to come and move their bodies and have fun.
Yes, exactly. So they just come, they release all the stress they have in life, and they leave the studio with the like fulfilled massage.
It is true. It doesn't matter what mood you walk into the studio feeling, you walk out a completely different person. Something about moving your body, the endorphins that you get, listening to music, it is really, truly freeing. And when you're thinking about memorizing moves, you don't have time to think about all the other crap in your life.
Exactly.
September 5th, an open bar. So right there, sign me up. Liquid Courage is fantastic. There'll be food, there'll be drinks, there'll be dancing, of course. And if you've never danced before, don't worry, because professional dancers will be nice to you. They'll bring you out on the dance floor and they'll show you what it feels like to move and how to do a few easy steps. And I'm sure you'll have performances.
Yes, we will have professional performances.
Maybe some line dances.
Exactly.
It's an open house, so you can come, just see what it's all about, grab some drinks, have some food, meet Anton, meet Olga. They are incredible people. Dancing is incredible. It's incredible exercise too. So if you're that person that hasn't found that mode of exercise that speaks to you, dancing could be it. It's a great way to lose weight, burn calories, and have a lot of fun.
Exactly.
Come on in. This is the Fred Astaire in Gilbert. You know, there's one all over the valley. So if this isn't the location for you, check it out because I know there's one near you. But if you live in this area, anywhere close, you want to be here on September 5th for the party. It's going to be incredible. Put it on your calendar, get your friends together, and we will see you here, right?